Kanyen'kéha ne Otsi'era'kó ian sta no ne sa Jiro.
Safargianget.
Dana uawani salate dan guanando hase geniochi a Seriserón ne finger knitting.
Jana ne asilie.
Ha. Etone da guanando hasne Otsi'era'kó. Seko Otsi'era'kó. Seko. Da no Otsi'era'kó ne aswadaze ne aserie. Etone satwadaze Otsi'era'kó. Satwadaze arde. Ha. Etone gina a awado ne Jana
Ne ganjo.
ne giko ne ganjok. Jana ne ganjok. Etone da zadi lundo. Ha. Etone Otsi'era'kó ganises. La dungariax. Giko wachok. Giko ne laudasa. Ne Otsi'era'kó. Tano giko ne ganjok. Gowana. Wahi. Hauki. Jana ne ganjok. Etone. Jana lundo ne laudasa. Dat no ganjok. Isek ne ganjok. Lundo ne laudasa. Dat no ne lundo ne ganjok. Isek ne ganjok. Lundo ne laudasa. Lundo ne ganjok. Isek ne ganjok. Lundo laudasa. Dat no lundo ne ganjok. Hauki awado ona asadet yando a Seriserón suha oksafer. You'll snore de nua nion jera.
But is this like still enough?
Gakui. Wow, da guanado has ne giko ne awado as Seriserón. Ona nua ne Otsi'era'kó ando what stay ne kari awado sahas that ni gore on that ne. Awado ganda zadi lundo? Yeah, Seriserón.
Show them. And this is the fun part.
Whoa. Arle anjita wadet yando. We'll use English this time. So, you have Mr. Crab. Show Mr. Crab. These are our two fingers that make Mr. Crab. Otsi'era'kó. You grab the string and you wrap it around Mr. Crab. And then he turns his body right around. Twist around again, Mr. Crab. And he grabs the long fish string. And he pulls it through. And that's where you make the loop. And you pull the long fish string till it's small enough for Mr. Crab to fit. He'll eat the long fish string, and then you pull his tail, his little tail right here. And then we pull the fish string, long fish string, grab a fish string, and eat it. Pull it through, Mr. Crab. Pull on his long fish tail and the long fish string. There we go. Eat the long fish string, pull it through, then pull the fish string. Make it a little bit tighter for Mr. Crab. And that's how, the one way, we finger knit. Otsi'era'kó. Ona.